child syndrome, wherein hindi ikaw yung panganay, tapos you enjoy that firstborn excitement, and hindi ka rin yung bunso that's ever so adorable and cute na toy ng buong family. Going to Kia Alabang of AC Motors, I went to the showroom to check the SUVs. Currently, they have three. The Kia Stonic, which we reviewed earlier, the Kia Sportage, which is currently their top of the line, and the middle child, the Kia Seltos. So tara, samahan nyo nga ako in this car review and let's see what this middle child has to offer. What makes this middle child a worthy contender in the very crowded crossover SUV category? This middle child has a lot of angled lights all over its body, from the front all the way to the back. In its sides, you can see all the black cladding that mimics a very sporty SUV. But it has refinement that you can see from its big brother SUV. You can see on the side that there's this wingtip, much like an eye makeup, sa may C-pillar niya. For the EX variant, the roof rail has a silver accent that continues to the side of the wingtip. Yung likod niya has this very cute dimpled cheeks na red. And there's a lot of faux silver accents sa skid plate and even yung faux exhaust pipe niya. Similar to its brothers, its front face is accented by its signature tiger nose grille. Talagang makikita mo na middle child siya. Kasi even doon sa pag-blackout ng tiger nose grille, kalahati yung butas, kalahati yung covered. And the grills continue all the way to the bottom of the bumper. And in this cockpit, this middle child excelled really well. Its driving performance is very, I would say, stable and subtle and with grace, just like a firstborn. But it also has its quirkiness and the excitement of driving a smaller SUV. And what makes this outstanding is the drive mode. So in the drive mode, you can choose an eco mode, a normal mode, or a sports mode. You can easily shift through the different modes even while the car is moving. We're driving on eco mode, talagang perfect siya for traffic. And now we're driving at normal mode and it just feels very serene. Para talaga siyang the bigger SUV but with the quirkiness of the smaller one. You can feel the burst of the power inside, but it's not parang kumakajet. Kasi the IVT is really giving it smooth transmission from low speed to high speed. Sobrang ganda ng NVH nito compared to the smaller kapatid kasi you can barely feel the NVH inside. Narinig niyo yun? Di ba sobrang dugdug lang? Hindi yung dugdug. Diba? A part of its quirkiness is coming from how responsive the steering is. The steering wheel is made of urethane and it feels good on the touch. It's soft enough and strong enough to give you that sense of control on the road. It has cruise control and it has buttons for the audio. And even on the dashboard, with all its tactile buttons, together with the touch screen and also the drive mode knob, Talagang it's a combination of something tried and tested, solid features together with the modern, trendy, and quirky features coming from the smaller brother SUVs. And at this speed of 60 kph, the drive is still very smooth and very responsive. Now we're shifting easily to the sports mode, and ramdam na ramdam mo yung hatak niya and yung response niya as you plant your feet on the accelerator. It's not your typical CVT na medyo mararamdaman mo yung pag-transition niya eh. Ito tuloy-tuloy lang talaga. The street cred coming from the Sportage and the stylish, trendy, and the nimble giddiness of a Stonic are all built into the Kia Seltos. The Kia Seltos starts at 1.098 thousand pesos for the base variant. This middle variant EX is at 1.198, and the top of the line SX is 1.505 million pesos. Now I understand why there's a middle child in the SUV family. It combines the best of both worlds, the elegance and the premiumness of the panganay, but the quirkiness, the modern and the trendy appeal of the bunso. So if you're interested to get this middle child SUV of the Kia SUV family, you can go and visit Kia Alabang and look for Charry, the sales consultant, and also Marc Chua, the sales manager. Thank you for joining me here on Tea on Things, where we talk all tea and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste. Bye!